Are you looking to get your first electric grinder? You might want to check this one out. Hi everyone, my name is Ryan. I'm a part of the marketing team, and today we will be talking about Chiato's LifeX all-purpose grinder. So the Life Grinder is a multi-purpose grinder that doubles for both single dosing as well as hopper-based grinding. If you don't know anything about Chiato is known for their high-quality commercial grinders. Now the thing about this design is that Chiato designed it in a way that uses gravity to help push the beans into the burrs that causes almost zero retention when it comes to grinding. The top burr within the Life is held stationary beneath the bean hopper, while the bottom burr can be freely adjusted. Now this design makes it easy to remove the top burr and have access into the grinding chamber without losing your grind settings during maintenance. This feature makes it especially helpful when it comes to single dosing. The Life can be equipped with an 8.8 ounce bean hopper or for single dosing based on your preference. It's made to eliminate popcorning as well as guide beans down into the burrs as said before. And this is because the design combines properties of typical bellows as well as an invented component that allows airflow into the system that helps keep retention low. There are 9 grind settings that Chiato provides that can be adjusted through the simple knob off to the side here. It also has an adjustable hook as well as a collapsible fork for either a portafilter or a catch cup, and programming the Life is simple as it can be set up for either single or double dose for up to 60 seconds, or if you want you can set it to manual mode and do some freehand grinding. Now all in all, the LifeX all-purpose grinder is perfect for that newer home barista that wants to future-proof themselves when it comes to equipment. Shout out to Chiato for creating such a versatile grinder in such a small package. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you're curious about the Chiato, it can actually be found on our website at 8ouncecoffee.com. The link is going to be in the bio below. And now as usual, if you like our content, be sure to like and subscribe and maybe even share this video as it helps us out. If you have any comments or video suggestions that you want to see in the future, please let us know down below, and we will see you guys soon. Bye everyone.